Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn on location in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to turn on your locations, so guys you can on it. And guys now let's see how to turn on guys phone location in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to turn on location. And then scroll it, and guys you can see this type of settings. Then guys you will have to come in guys your location settings. So I tap here. Then guys you can see your location is off, but guys you want to on, so guys you can turn on from here. And guys you can use guys your app location, guys your phone location setting from here guys. Wi-Fi sharing option on and off, Bluetooth scanning on and off, settings, app permission setting guys you can allow and don't allow from here guys. You can use your location setting from here. And guys you want to turn off, so guys you can turn off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on app location in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.